Hi, kindergarten. Mrs. Schmidt here. This kindergarten lesson will be for Oakland kindergarten students and all the Collingswood kindergarten students. Here we go. We're going to make a cut paper pizza today. We're just going to make a slice of pizza. You're going to need construction paper, black, red, orange, white, and yellow. And if you have a piece of brown or tan for the crust. You could even use a piece of cardboard. So right here we have the artist Henri Matisse, and he's our artist. I'm going to have a video you can watch about Henri Matisse. He did cut paper. He started out painting, but then he got in an accident and had to be in a wheelchair. So he did cut paper, and that's what we're going to be doing. We're going to be making our pizza. So you're going to start out with your piece of tan. You're going to go to this corner and make a dot, and this corner and make a dot, and the bottom middle. So I have a dot, and the bottom middle. I'm going to draw my crust slice. So it's going to be a triangle down to that middle dot. Then I'm going to draw from this corner down to the dot. Then I'm going to cut that out. That'll be my crust for my pizza slice. Like I said, you could use cardboard if you have it, if you don't have brown paper. You could even use white paper and color it brown. So if you don't have the construction paper at home, use whatever you have. So now I'm going to take my crust back here, and I'm just going to fold it forward, just about that much. Okay, so it looks almost 3D there. I'm going to cut my edges. So now that's our crust. See, our crust here is folded over. You can even glue that down if you like. So I'll take my glue stick, put some glue across the top, and fold over and press. Now, we're going to be working with shapes. So we're going to use our construction paper, and we're going to do the sauce first. So you're going to take your piece of paper. You can draw a shape for sauce if you like, or I'm going to just cut. That's how Matisse did it. He just took his scissors and cut a shape. And it doesn't have to be exactly like mine. Be whatever you come up with. Whatever shape. Okay? See if it fits on there. If it doesn't fit, trim it off a little. Like so. And then put your crust on. So I'm trimming it off so it fits. And now I'm going to glue it on. Take my glue stick, turn to the back side. Make sure you put glue over the whole back, sides and middle. Okay, because we want everything to be flat and stick to our crust. Then press down. Next thing you're going to do is think, what else could I put on my pizza for toppings? I could put some cheese. So we're going to look at the shapes. Shapes, rectangles, squares, triangles, and circles. So my cheese would be rectangles. I could make little cuts in the paper. See how I cut? Just make little cuts in the paper. Then when I cut this way, there's my shapes. There's my cheese. So I can cut little rectangles. Put them wherever you like. Wherever you want your toppings on your pizza. Okay, so I put the glue on the piece and then stick it down. I think I might need a little more cheese. You could still cut more. You could cut bigger pieces if you wanted. You could cut fatter pieces, whatever shape you like for your cheese. And see, all I'm doing is cutting. I could do different sizes. See, all different sizes. And make sure you spread them out. Okay, you don't want an empty spot. See how I spread them out so everything is covered? All right, so I put glue on the back of the piece, then press down. Put glue on the back of your shape, then press down. There's a nice big rectangle of cheese. Glue it down. All right, here's one more. And now next, ooh, pepperoni. what shape would our pepperoni be? Our pepperoni would be red. Okay? But it might blend in with some of the sauce. So we're going to add just a little bit of orange. Okay, we can make a little bit of orange because sometimes when the sauce and the cheese mix, it turns orange. So we can make some orange squares and put them on. Come down here and put a piece. You can overlap. Things can be glued on top of each other. Let's put one more orange square on. Now when I put my pepperoni on, now it'll show up if I place it on top of the orange parts. So what shape is our pepperoni? A circle. So look, I could cut a circle out, and if you want to draw it first, you can do that. That's okay. See how I put that? Now it shows up. Here's another trick. I could fold my paper and watch what I'm going to do. I'm going to cut one piece of pepperoni, see? One circle. But because I folded my paper, look what happened. I got a whole bunch. Okay, so you could try that. That's a new little technique you could try doing. Let's put one more piece up here. Okay, let's move that out of the way. White. What do you think a white topping would be? I'm going to fold my paper like I did for the pepperoni. And I'm going to make onions. You don't have to make things you don't like, but you could still make them even if you don't like them. I don't usually eat pepperoni on my pizza, but on my paper pizza, it looks cute. I like it on there. So look, I just made some onions, and you could glue those on. Now, if something doesn't fit, you could always cut it. See? You could always cut it to make it fit. All right, so the last color is black. Now, I don't like olives on my pizza, but some people do. You can still make them out of paper and put them on your pizza, even if you don't like them. Because this pizza we're not going to eat. It's just going to be an art project. All right, so look what I cut. I cut little circles, see, for the olives, and I can put them wherever I want and glue them down. So try. You could draw your shapes if you like, but let's try to cut them out, see, without drawing, with just scissors. All right, thanks for watching, boys and girls. Have fun. Bye-bye.